Jai Hind, dear students of class 6th. Today we are going to cover third chapter and the unit will be second. This is a poem, my dear students, and first of all I will read the poem and I will explain it further. Okay, so my dear students, we are going to start. So first of all, let me tell you the introduction of this chapter, right? So, if you see the outline, it is common for the brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they might not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrel last? How do they end? Right. So it's just an outline. It is given because sometimes this happens that we fight our brothers and sisters, and the reasons are unknown. Okay. Sometimes it can be causes of a number of inharmonious things. Sometimes it can be causes of a mishap, but sometimes it becomes very even loving situation. It creates a very loving situation, right? So my dear students, without wasting a time, let's start our first stanza of the poem, right? So the first stanza of the poem says, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Right? First of all, write down the meaning of some tough words that is given. Slight. Slight means small. The second meaning is given is quarreled. Quarrel means fight, fought. Right? Second form of verb fight. Now, my dear students, what the poet suggests, the poet had a fight with his brother, right? Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the causes of the fight was. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was giving way to another, while fighting both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious, but gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. Okay. Now the second stanza, my dear students. We hated one another. The afternoon we hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, Oh, come along. We cannot go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now write out the some tough word meanings, that is the thumped. Thumped means hit, and the second meaning turned black. Turned black means to become unpleasant, right? Now, what this second stanza says, in the noon, the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They did not like one another. All of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart and realized that he was wrong. Now, my dear students, you can see that the poem is very important poem that gives us a message. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other, and it's a very common situation. Many times they quarrel with each other without any reasons. Their quarrels begin over very small and petty issues. That is means the very small issues. And how with a small kind of act the quarrels end. It's very mystic and beautiful, right? The poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers and began and ended without any reason. The poet says that he quarreled with his brother over something and he was not even aware why he was quarreling about. One thing was giving way to another, and while fighting, both of them fell down. Initially, it was very small and very petty issues, but gradually it became serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas at heart he knew that he was wrong. Both of them did not like one another. In the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back and asked him to come along, and it is not possible or right to linger the issues throughout the right night. He also claimed to be on the wrong side, so he was actually right. It shows his generosity. तो ये एक सिचुएशन है ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स के बीच में. समटाइम्स वी फाइट ईच अदर विदाउट एनी पर्पस, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम वी रियलाइज दैट व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग, एंड दैट इज द generosity, my dear student. So that's all about of this poem, my dear students. I think you have cleared all the points. If you are not having sense of any of stranger, any of the word, any of the line, then you are free to ask, my dear students. Okay, from tomorrow onwards we will cover our next chapter. You will have to prepare all the notes, all the notebooks that has been given, and whenever you will be called, you will have to come to school with your notebooks for correction purpose. Okay, my dear students. So now I have to leave. Your lesson has been finished. Your third lesson, I think, has been finished, and I think you are getting all the points. If you are having any confusion, then you can ask inside the class group. Up to the time, my dear students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.